Page number 8, question number 9. State hygiene's principle. Statement: each point on a wavefront acts as a secondary source of light emitting secondary light waves called as wavelets in all directions, which travel with the speed of light in the medium. The new wavefront can be obtained by taking the envelope of these secondary wavelets traveling in the forward direction and is thus the envelope of the secondary wavelets in forward direction. The wavelets traveling in the backward direction is ineffective. Here we studied the hygiene's principle. Now question number 10. Derive the laws of reflection of light using hygiene's principle. See here figure reflection at a plane surface in figure. Say AB plane wavefront, angle I shows us angle of incidence, MN is mirror or plane reflecting surface. See here page number 9. Consider a plane wavefront AB is perpendicular to the plane of paper incident at an angle I with normal to a plane reflecting surface or mirror MN, which is perpendicular to the plane of paper as shown in figure. Here figure shows cross section of the setup, that is RA and QB show डायरेक्शन ऑफ इन्सिडन्स. म्हणजे ज्या मार्गे इन्सिडेंट रे आतमध्ये एंट्री करतात ते जे रे आहेत ते RA अँड QB असे आहेत. कन्सिडर इन्सिडेंट वेवफ्रंट AB टचेस रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस ॲट पॉईंट A ॲट टाइम T इज इक्वल टू 0. Point B will touch reflecting surface at C after time T small t is equal to capital T. Between time T is equal to 0 and capital T, the different points along incident wavefront reach the reflecting surface successively and secondary wavelets will start propagating in the form of hemisphere. Hemisphere means अर्धवर्तुळाकार. For reflection, hemispheres are on the same side of mirror. ते मिररच्या किंवा MN हा मिरर आहे त्याच्या एकाच साईडला हे हेमिस्फियर दिसून येतात. The wavelet emitted by point A will have a radius Vt at time t. Radius of wavelet emitted by C will 0 at that time. The radii of wavelets emitted by points between A and point C will be decreasing from Vt to 0. The envelope of these wavelets forms reflected wavefront. This is shown by EC, which is common tangent. Now AE is equal to BC is equal to V into T. See here in diagram, here point is A. Arrow AE shows that is AE here is equal to, see here, B to C. AE is equal to BC is equal to V into T. Arrow AE shows direction of propagation reflected wave. The normal is AP. Therefore, angle of incidence is equal to angle RAP is equal to angle I. As RA is perpendicular to AB and AP is perpendicular to AC. Angle BAC is equal to angle I. See here page number 10. Triangles ABC and AEC are right angled triangles and have common AC and one equal side, that is A is equal to BC. Hence, two triangles are congruent. So, angle ACE is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle I. Equation 1. Angle of reflection is angle PAE is equal to small r, since AE is perpendicular to CE and AP is perpendicular to AC. Angle ACE is equal to angle PAC is equal to angle R. Equation number 2. Point number 1. Equation 1 and 2 give us I is equal to R is the law of reflection. Point number 2. From figure, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal are in the same plane, which is the plane of the paper. This is other law of reflection. After reflection, the right side is seen at left side and the left side is seen at right side. That is reflection म्हणजे परावर्तन. तर उजवी बाजू जी आहे ती फिगरमधील उजवी बाजू ही डाव्या साईडला आहे असं वाटतं आणि डावी जी बाजू आहे ती उजव्या साईडला आहे असे वाटते. अँड द इमेजेस कम्स आउट ऑफ द मिरर. MN इज द मिरर. रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस जो आहे तो आपण मिरर यूज केलेला आहे. धिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज लॅटरल इन्व्हर्जन. बट लॅटरल इन्व्हर्जन डू नॉट ऑकर ड्युरिंग रिफ्रॅक्शन ॲट ए प्लेन सरफेस. इथं जे आपण स्टडी केलेलं आहे ते रिफ्लेक्शन आहे. हे अशा प्रकारचे लॅटरल इन्व्हर्जन रिफ्रॅक्शनमध्ये दिसून येत नाही. हे आपण पेज नंबर 10 स्टडी केला आहे. दॅट इज रिफ्लेक्शन ॲट ए प्लेन